Hello, I'm Corey with Fleet Management Services, and this segment is on wiper blade replacement. Fall is a great time of year to check wiper operation. Clear vision is critical for safe driving. During freezing conditions, it may be necessary to free frozen wiper blades from your windshield. It is not recommended that you use the wiper system because this could cause damage to the wiper components. You can free frozen wiper blades by simply grabbing the wiper blade and gently pulling upward. If they are severely frozen, you may need to use additional tools like an ice scraper to free the blade from the windshield. You can test the wiper condition by simply turning them on and operating the washer system. If they are streaking, skipping, or not clearing the windshield properly, replacement may be needed. Streaking can be caused by foreign materials such as bugs, tar, sap, and road grime. If they are streaking, it is recommended to first clean your windshield and clean your wiper blades. If this does not solve the problem, the blade will need to be replaced. Your local auto parts stores can help you identify the proper wiper blade for your vehicle and may be able to help you install them. Removal of the old wiper blades requires locating and releasing the retaining tab to remove the wiper. A small screwdriver can aid in the removal. Once you have removed the wiper, lower the wiper arm to prevent damage to the windshield. Once you have purchased your wiper blades, you need to remove the contents. Locate and read the instructions. And identify what type of attachment fits your vehicle. Once you've identified the attachment that fits your vehicle, install the new wiper assembly. After installation, check your wiper washer system to verify proper operation. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informational videos about your car.